We will not stop our development plans and programs because of the noise from some little boys. They will continue making that noise, but we shall continue to move on. But I warn anybody who may want to be nonsensical and bring chaos in this country, we are ready for any chaos, to deal with any chaos. Whoever who preach hate speech shall be responsible for their hate speech. Our prisons are not full. We want peace. We want unity. Those who do not disagree with that, but do so quietly and peacefully. Then, tishafamba tose murugare no kuirana. Asukata mesha mkono tinokubeza.
Ngabe lichona njani Mahlabezulu labalandeli besigxingi iMahlabezulu TV olifundela indaba kumbe olicubungulela indaba zenu lamhlanje ngowenu uHlonipani Ncube. Siqale ngodaba oluyindikimba. Sinanzelele ukuthi ngemva kokuba umnumzana Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa esefake isignature yakhe ku bill number 3 ebikhulunywa kakhulukazi elizweni leZimbabwe, siboneke abalweli benkululeko bephendula uEmmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa ukuthi kabazukunikezela iconstitution ka 2013 kanjalo nje ngokuthi bayethuselwa, and sinanzelele njalo ukuthi umnumzana Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa njengoba kubekiwe ilanga lika 31 July ukuthi kuzoba lilanga lokubhikisha lapho amahlabezulu abantu base Zimbabwe bekhangelele ukuthi baguqule umbuso kaMnumzana Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. Sinanzelele ukuthi ke sisiya kulolu suku okukhuthazwe ngabalweli benkululeko ukuthi abantu beZimbabwe yikho okumele bakwenze ukuze bazikhulule. Sike sabona enye indoda uBhekimpilo Mbetsi ebumba ivideo yakhe lapho akhuthaze khona abantu base Zimbabwe ukuthi batshengisele ngomhla ka 31 July esikubone kusenzakala ukuthi uhulumeni ka Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa uvele ke wathumela amapholisa aya athumba lendoda athe eyithumbile ngemva kwamalanga ke abantu beZimbabwe bekhonona bezibuza ukuthi ngabe kwenzakaleni ngempilo ka Bhekimpilo nguBhekimpilo Mbetsi oleminyaka yena engu 41. Ivideo yakhe ibisisho lokho ke silalele akukho cala kakade akusho.
Morning fellow Zimbabweans. So the day is on, fellow Zimbabweans, on the 31st of July 2026. Let's all stand up, fellow Zimbabweans, and demonstrate as guided by Section 59 of the Constitution. Let's all make sure we demonstrate peacefully against the amendment of the Constitution of our land by the ZANU-PF regime. Fellow Zimbabweans, as you know, we adopted this constitution by 2013. It is a very beautiful document which protects human rights, which protects the right to vote, it protects the right to health, it protects the right to education, it protects the right to dignity. And today we find that constitution is being amended at willy-nilly without our inclusion, without a collective agreement with us by the political party which is in power. So fellow Zimbabweans, let's stand on the 31st of July 2026 and demonstrate against this bill and demonstrate so that they repeal this illegal amendment, they repeal this illegal law in our land, fellow Zimbabweans. So let's unite. Today we must have been talking about jobs. We must have been talking about free education, which is enshrined in the constitution of the land. But instead, the government of the land is actually, after amending the constitution, that they make sure Mnangagwa remains in power forever, putting resources for what is not necessary. As we know that today, fellow Zimbabweans are suffering in foreign lands, looking for basic jobs, menial jobs, suffering. Yet the government in Zimbabwe is not after making sure we've got jobs. So I thank you, fellow Zimbabweans. Come, unite, and let's speak out. I, Begimpilo Mbezi, will demonstrate from the border section to the roundabout in Mashingo turn-off, and I will repeat that on the 31st as I expressed, and I shall continue days after to speak out. Come out in your numbers and let's speak out, fellow Zimbabweans, in our numbers, in unity. No, we don't need to be affiliated to any political party. We just have to be Zimbabweans, pure independent Zimbabweans, speaking against this illegal amendment. I thank you very much. Thank you.
Ngemva kokusho lokho ke umnumzana Emerson Tambudzo Mnangagwa uvele wathumela abafana bakhe ukuthi bayomthumba eZimbabwe kubotshwa kanjalo ke abantu abaphikisana lohulumeni bayathunjwa akazange asho into embi akade ekukhuthaza ukucela abantu beZimbabwe ukuthi babhikishe ngomhla ka31 July njalo lokho bakwenze ngokuthula akazange akhulume ngodlame kule ivideo sizonanzelela ukuthi umthetho waseZimbabwe ulamehlo kulo undoda umthetho awuzange ke ube lo musa kuye bavele bayamthumba bamenza isigebengu inkalakade yesigebengu kodwa siqathanise lale ivideo ke yomholi weZanu PF okuparallel structure seZanu PF esibizwa ngokuthiwa presidential mafia for it sinanzelele ukuthi ke lo muntu ngoweZanu PF and njalo akakaboshwa into ayikhulumayo namhlanje uhleli eyikhuluma akakazi aboshwe simlalele ekhuluma siqathanise lokushiwo nguBhekimpilo Mbezi sibone ukuthi eZimbabwe masi kutshela sikuxwayisa ukuthi iZanu PF aso political party enhle ayikaze ibenhle kubantu beZimbabwe mhlawumbe isazobandle kodwa njengoba sikhuluma okwamanje akukaze kube libandla elihle elibukeka likahle kakhulu ebantwini baseZimbabwe silalele ekhuluma lomfo
kudamburwa komunhu musoro kana kuti kuurayiwa komunhu mushoko raMwari kana tomboti munhu atambudza nyika kana kuti achida kukonzeresa hondo munyika shoko raMwari haridzivisi according to the Bible. Romans chapter 13 inoti ari kurwa nesimba uri kurwa naMwari rinoti unoda kufadza simba here ita zvakanaka nokuti mambo haabate munondo pasina right ndiri kutaura kodzero dzemunhu anonzi mambo the father of the nation kuti musi wa 31 ziva kuti ukaona wakonzeresa noise according to the Bible musazoti pasina wataura politics akati vanhu ngavadamburwe musoro aiwa ndiri kuti according to the Bible President Emerson Mnangagwa vari mupower yavakagadzwa naMwari ukavashupa unototenderwa kudamburwa musoro because vaRoma inoti mambo haabate munondo kana pasina mhosva saka president wenyika unotenderwa neshoko raMwari kuti adambure musoro womunhu asi vaMnangagwa vanogona kusada zvavo because igwai ndimambo unoona pane kutungamira kwozoita kutonga nyika inoda kutongwa South Africa uchiona vachipisa zvinhu vachitandanisa vanhu havasi kutongwa vaya vari kutungamirirwa ukafamba mberi kwevanhu unogona kuzotarisa kumashure vashiko ndokunonzi kutungamirira but kana ukatonga vanhu unenge uchivatungamirira at the same time unenge uchivapa command kuti rambai muri pashure pangu, vanenge vakanongedzerwa pfuti chii, pfuti zvamboko zvinonzi neshoko raMwari, kurobwa shamu yakagadzirwa musana webenzi. Go and check South Africa today, there is no peace. Kuri kuitwa zvinonyadzisa. VaRamaphosa chavanongogona kukumbira ruregerero pamaiki kana kuti pa press vachiti sorry Africa, but simba rokutonga havana. A democracy yavakatendera muSouth Africa, it's a satanism democracy. Kune democracy humwari hunoda kuti kana ukatadzira Mwari ukasatendeuka unokandwa mugehena. Muno muZimbabwe medu munhu kana democracy yedu isu tinobhilivha kuti munhu akashupa ngaarobwe. Munhu akada kutadzira nyika nekurasha hunhu anofana kurohwa. Uye shoko raMwari kana zvazonyanyisa kunetsa harirambi kudamburwa kwomunhu musoro, harirambi kudirwa kwomunhu nyere kana amukira madzimambo. Thank you so much.
Njengoba lizizwela ke Mahlabezulu uthi khona abantu abazobhikisha bazoqanyulwa intamo. Lolo ludlame uthi abantu abazobhikisha mhla ka-31 July bazoqanyulwa intamo. Hayi abantu abazomosha, hayi abantu ke abazodala udlame, hayi abantu ke abadala ubugebengu, kodwa uthi abantu abazobhikisha. Kodwa masikhangela iconstitution yaseZimbabwe ikwenza kucace ukuthi ukubhikisha kulilungelo labantwana baseZimbabwe. Kodwa ke njengoba sihlala sikusho ukuthi kwele Zimbabwe akuvunyelwa ukubhikisha, uMnangagwa uyesaba abantu baseZimbabwe ukuthi babhikishe. Kwezinye izindaba njalo ezidla ke ubhedu lamhlanje, umnumzana Emmerson Tambudzo Mnangagwa uqhubeka njengoba uzwile lo mfo esike sadlala ivideo usebizwa ngoMunu Mutapa. Kulabantu ke singakhangela enkundleni zokuxhumana asebe umkhankasela ukuthi umnumzana Emmerson Tambudzo Mnangagwa ma eyeka ukuba ngupresident abe nguKing Munu Mutapa, kumbe aphiwe isihlalo esifanana ke lo mphathi wase-Iran abe yi-supreme leader. Kukhangelelwe ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe abe ngumongameli welizwe. Lokho ke into egcwele ku social media yonke, njengoba uNox Chivero wayechilo ukuthi kulohlelo lokuthi umnumzana retired General Chiwenga axoshwe ku ZANU-PF. Ma eseqoshiwe ku ZANU-PF kulohlelo lokuthi khona umnumzana retired General Chiwenga isikhundla sakhe sibanjwe ngunkosikazi kaMnumzana Emmerson Tambudzo Mnangagwa. Njengoba ke lokho kuyinto esemehlweni kaZulu, singazi ukuthi uMnangagwa uzokwenza kube njalo, kodwa siyananzelela ke ukuthi indoda engenavalo, indoda eyenza nje loba lapho isiveziwe iyakwenza khonoko. Kwezinye izindaba sinanzelele ukuthi ke kuke kwaba lemibiko emalangeni adlulileyo ke lapho abaprofeti beZANU-PF uHubert Angel akaveza ukuthi ke uChiwenga ungumuntu ogula ehamba, ungumuntu ogula ehamba, into ayishiloyo evezi njalo ethi khona kusiyafika ukuqaleni kuka-August uzobe sengumuntu ongasekho emhlabeni, okuyinto ethuse abantu kakhulukazi. Unanzelele ukuthi ke lo mprofita ngabaprofiti bamanga abasebenza le ZANU-PF baya profita ukufa kwabantu abakupolitiki besenzela ukuthi abantu beZimbabwe babone angathi bekuyintando kaNkulunkulu, kungabi lodlame. Kukanti baya besebekwazi ukuthi sokuphiwe umlayezo ukuthi kwenziwe into enjalo. Sike sabona eprofita ukuthi uBlessed Geza uzoshona, washona kanjalo. Lokho kuveza mceke ukuthi la ungabona besenza kanjalo sebekwazi ukuthi kulesinqumo esesithethwe ukuthi kwenziwe kanjalo. Silalele le video ekhuluma lamazwi. liyazizwela ke Mahlabezulu okwenzakala ke elizweni lase Zimbabwe. Lokho sokudale ukuthi omunye ke wabalweli benkululeko retired Lieutenant General Winston Sikauke Mabranga aphendule ngamazwi abuhlungu ke lendoda ephe lesi profita esingcolileyo uHubert Angel umprofiti wase Zimbabwe umprofiti mbumbulu wase Zimbabwe. Mahlabezulu siyakhuthaza ukuthi ke mali ngaphumi kulesi sigxingi litobetse ibutton usubscribe ukwenzela ukuthi ke masisiza lamanye ama videos libe ngabokuqala ukuthi lisibukele. Njalo siyakhuthaza ukuthi lidlulise imbiko kwabanengi abantu bakulele Zimbabwe. Siyanxusa sixwayisa njalo ukuthi ukubhikisha kulilungelo lezizalwane zeZimbabwe singethuselwa ngamagwala akwaziyo ukuthi abantu beZimbabwe bangasukuma balwele amalungelo abo kuphelile ngomnangagwa. Ake ngibonge bakwethu olifundela lezi ndaba kumbe olicubungulelayo nguHloniphani Ncube. Siyabonga.